Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4D series. We will show you how to use the aircraft intelligent route function. Enter Flight Hub 2. Select Flight Route Library. Create a new route. Select the route type, the model and accessories. Name the flight route. Click OK. Set the takeoff point. Enable the quickly adding waypoint function. Click to add waypoints. Choose the waypoints to add the intelligent detection action and in the intelligent detection action. In the detection function, visible light cameras support detection of vehicles and boats. All subjects in the frame will be detected by default. You can click the area selection icon to annotate an area in the map. The selected area will be colored pink. Select Triggered Actions. To custom the action after detecting an anomaly, when the alarm is triggered, a photo will be taken automatically and be saved based on the flight route in the media library. Take photos. After detecting an anomaly, a photo will be taken for each subject individually. The photos taken will be saved in the route directory of the flight route. Record videos. After detecting an anomaly, recording will be started. The aircraft will continue the task after the set duration. The duration range is 1 to 1,800 seconds. Wait for takeover. After detecting an anomaly, the aircraft will hover and wait for user takeover. The aircraft will continue the task after the set duration. The duration range is 1 to 1,800 seconds. Enter the title and warning messages. When warning messages are pushed, the snapshot and location information will be sent together. Click on Infrared. Set the temperature warning threshold. Temperature range can be set from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. Recommended temperature range is -20 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Set the palette for infrared photos. Set Triggered Actions. Enter the warning messages. Save the flight route. On the Task Plan Library page, create a new plan. Name the flight route. Select the flight route. Flight routes with intelligent detection enabled are colored. Select the device. Set the route warning notification. Select the reception method. Set the warning frequency. Add subscribers. Click OK. After the detection triggers an alert, if in-web notification is enabled, you can access Virtual Cockpit through the notification and manually take over the aircraft for operation intervention. Virtual Cockpit supports displaying intelligent detection flight route warning records. You can quickly view the trigger time, conditions, detection subject locations, as well as snapshots